accounting. Accounting start from one business. Start from one business. Okay, then we have to purchase and sales. So there are two types of purchase and sales. Purchase with cash and purchase with credit. Cash and credit. Same with sales. There are two types of sales. Cash sales and credit sales. So for this stage, for example, the business is bakery. So we have to purchase all the items, all the raw materials, whether with cash or credit. Credit means we don't pay anything. Same with sales. We already have all the bakery, all the food, so we have to sales. Whether we sales in cash or credit. Now we go to the source document. Source document for purchase is invoice. And receipt. Okay. Purchase with credit, we use invoice, receipt. Then, purchase with cash, we receive the receipt. Source document for sales, also we have invoice and receipt. For sales, the invoice is invoice we send. For example, we send to debtor and customer. Then, for cash sales, we have receipt. Okay, so we give the receipt to the customer or debtor. So the conclusions for the story for the account is, we have one business that we have. First, we have to purchase, then we sales. So, two types of purchase, cash and credit. Then, two types of sales is also cash and credit. Then, the source document involved is invoice and receipt. Whether we send the invoice or we receive the invoice. For example, purchase, we receive the invoice. Then, for sales, we send the invoice. Invoice means we didn't pay anything, or we didn't get anything, or we didn't get the cash. Then we go to the return inward or return outward, or purchase return and sales return. For example, if you have purchase, okay, from the supplier, if the product or the food is not suitable, so we have to return back. So the name is purchase return. Same with sales. If the customer is not suitable with the food or the product or the service, then they have to return back to the business. Then we call that sales return. Okay, invoice, send, invoice, receive. Okay, receipt that we send, receipt that we receive. We have debit note, then we have credit notes for purchase return and sales return. So the story of the account is we start from purchase. After purchase, so we have to sales all the product or service. Okay, after now all the source documents, so we have to open the transactions. The transactions means we have to put all the source document into debit and credit. Transaction means we have to put debit and credit. So this one we call ledger. Okay. Then number 2. Okay. After record all the ledger, so we have to close all the ledger at the end of the month. Then the amounts and the balance we put or we post to trial balance. So here we have all the accounts with the balance, whether debit or credits. Okay, then after close all the accounts, so all the amounts we have to post or to put under financial statement. Then the financial statement we divide by 2. So first is income statement. Second is balance sheets. So from the income statement, from the income statement, we can get whether gross, loss, or profit. And also we can get net loss or profit. Okay. After we get the net loss or net profit, then we post the amount to balance sheets. Here in balance sheet, we have assets equal owner equity plus liability. Balance sheets means one statement that we appear assets equal owner equity plus liability. So for this balance sheet, we have to know whether the company is the business activity is suitable or not, whether the cost is efficient. Okay. Then this is very important for the third party. For example, investor, a creditor, bank, and also government. Also important for internal as the boss or manager. for the staff. Now, balance sheet also we can call financial positions. Okay, so the story of accounting start from one business, purchase and sales, all the source documents and the transactions we put under ledger, then we close all the ledger, we post to trial balance, then post to the financial statement that we divide by 2. So this one is the story of the accounts. So start from business. So we have to operate one business, start with purchase and sales.